There are many things as a human being you tend to realize when you are living in this world. You tend to realize that money is not everything. Yes, money is not everything. I'm talking as a trader and I'm saying it. Money is not everything. But money is necessary. It is necessary to have the money. You must make the money. You must have the money for you to realize that money is not everything. Guys, don't allow anyone to come and tell you that money is not everything. Make your own money and have the money. Then you can decide if money is not everything. It's just like that. It's just like that. It is one of those statements which are true, but you have to realize them yourself. It has to be in your own experience, not because someone told you. Don't allow me to tell you that money is not everything. Make the money first, have the money first, then you can decide if money is everything or not. Welcome to the channel, guys. Strengthen Malopa again here. Now, today, guys, I just wanted to talk to you guys. You know, I'm a person who likes sharing. Now, guys, I wanted to talk to you about money-making machines. Money-making machines. There are many things that you can make money from, guys, especially online. How to make money online. Firstly, we've all proven that you can make money from Forex trading. But Forex trading is not the only thing that you can make money from. You know, of course, in Forex trading, there are many things that you can use to make money with. Like in my case, I'm selling a robot. You can get signals. You can teach yourself to how to analyze by yourself and make money, still make money. So that is just one category of making money online. The second thing to make money online is, of course, drop shipping. Drop shipping, guys. Drop shipping is the way it sounds. It is actually you connecting a buyer and a seller. So what you are doing is you are close to let's say you are close to a warehouse. Maybe you are close to, for example, Amazon, right? Or you've got access to Amazon. Then I want to buy something from Amazon. But then I can't go to Amazon and, buy those certain stuff. And then you can go to pages like, there are so many pages online, like eBay, those kind of things, and buy the product for me and bring it to my house. So you are drop shipping it. You are buying it for me, or I'm buying it from you. You go and buy it for me in the warehouse and you bring it to my house. I give you my address, you bring it to my house. And then, of course, you will get the customers online. Online people want stuff. They want to buy manicures. They want to buy pedicure stuff and stuff. They want to buy makeups. They want to buy even these shades, even this cap. They want to buy even the PCs and all that. They want to buy all sorts of stuff, but they don't have access. Or they can't go and collect those stuff themselves. So you can work. So your job is just to connect the two things, the buyer and the seller. You are the middleman. And then you drop those stuff to, of course, you will take a delivery fee. That's how you make money, So the third thing that you can do to make money, of course, is by affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you have, let's say you have an audience. Maybe on Instagram, you've got 10,000 followers, even with 1,000 followers, 1,000 followers, they're fine. And then you give them a link to a certain product that they might be interested in. When they buy using that link, you get a commission from the store. Let's say you put a link of what can I say? Okay, this company, Fabiana, right? And then when you put a link there, when I come and buy the cap to Fabiana using your link, then Fabiana will give you a certain percentage of the amount that I used to purchase and all that. That is what affiliate marketing. The fourth thing now that you can do to make money, of course, is by making videos. Just like now you watching this video, you can still make money from that. Upload those videos from YouTube, and then you make money from YouTube. Will actually pay you a monthly income, let's say on the 21st or on the 23rd, depending on which country you are at or you are in. Yeah, you can make money from YouTube. And the fifth thing that you can do to make money is investing in stocks, individual stocks. Now, have you heard of eToro, those kind of companies? Have you heard of investing.com? Have you heard of, there's so many companies, in fact, to invest in stocks. You can invest in Amazon. buy shares from Amazon. In fact, you are buying fractions of the shares. You make money from that. And then the sixth thing that you can do to make money, of course, it will be by what is this thing? By am I forgetting it? I'm forgetting something. I'm forgetting something very, very important. In fact, what is it? It is by you saving and then to invest into your own knowledge. Guys, you reading a book right now, you buying a book and read it. That is an investment on its own. It's an investment on its own. Because the knowledge that you are putting in your mind, books are cheap when you buy them online virtually. They are cheap. You can even get them for 6 rands, even for 10 rands, which is about less than $1. Less than $1, yeah. You can even get books for less than $1, which is 6 rand, 7 rand, 10 rand, somewhere there. Buy a book, read the book, equip your mind with knowledge, because it will come into your rescue. One of the good days when you have made so much money from the markets and now you want to invest into something, invest your money into something, then it comes into your rescue in that way. Yeah, guys, I mean, if you are a person who aspires to make a living out of this online industry, you really need to put in the work. You really need to put in the work. Yeah, to put in the work, it actually means that you need to actually research, do your research properly, know everything about the industry that you are in. In that way, you'll be able to actually accelerate your career easily that way. I know that a lot of people will think it's difficult to do it. I know that a lot of people will think it is impossible to do it. I know a lot of people think that if you are in another country except for the US, you can't do this online stuff. You can. You just have to do research. In every country, there are online stores. You just contact them and get some little bit of information on how to go about it. It's actually quite easy. Because now the thing is, in this world, you are not meant to suffer. You didn't come to this world to suffer. In fact, there is something that is, it is for you to do. There is something that you are meant to do. There is something that you are meant to be. There is no such thing as you are meant to suffer. No. No one is meant for poverty. No one was written or was given keys to wealth. You need to create your own wealth. That's why even if your parents or someone in your family is wealthy, that doesn't mean you will be. Yes, it might give you an edge, all that, but you have to grab the key and unlock. So it is up to you, totally up to you. So yeah, guys, I mean, let's work. Let's not be lazy. Because one of our enemies in this world is laziness. Procrastination. You're always postponing. You are lazy to do something. You are lazy to wake up and do something with your life.